Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Forensic medicine. Forensic medicine is defined as the application of knowledge of medicine in administration of justice. So you use the knowledge of medicine and you give justice to the cases. That is forensic medicine. Medical jurisprudence. Medical jurisprudence. Juris means law, prudence means knowledge. Application of knowledge of law with regard of medical practice. In medical jurisprudence, we use the knowledge of law to the medical practice. In forensic medicine, we use the medicine for justice. Medical ethics. Medical ethics are moral principles that guide a doctor-patient relationship. Medical etiquette. Medical etiquette are conventional laws of courtesy between the members of medical profession. Medical etiquette is how we follow each other. We respect each doctor. That is medical etiquette.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about